Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right online Mandarin tutor dash. How to choose if the tutor is inexperienced immediately. Are we always saying no to inexperienced tutors? Let's see this case. Title: Looking for Chinese tutor. What I want: to learn how to speak Mandarin and Hokkien and to read and write, hopefully. Here comes the interesting part. You need actually good at Chinese. Miss me with the I'm okay at it. You don't have to have experience teaching tutoring, but you gotta know how to do it. It quite explains why most of us prefer experienced tutors. The point isn't the experience itself. The point is experienced tutors usually know how to do it. So, how to choose if the tutor is inexperienced? The easiest way is to go to the tutor's website and jump to the sale page to see if there are any helpful information, such as the what the tutor can give you section. The more specific, the better. It means the tutor knows what she or he can bring to the table. You know what you can expect from the class and what you cannot. Also, remember to check what in the program. You will have more ideas about how the tutor will work with you, what you are paying for. Here is a common misunderstanding I want to point out. When you read the tutor's profile, you see a long subject list and might think, the tutor must know how to do it. But the truth is, not really. Let's say you want to have decent Chinese food for dinner tonight. Which menu convinces you that the chef knows how to cook Chinese food the most? Menu A: a menu gathered different cuisines, pizza, curry, fried rice, you name it. Or menu B: a menu which is a full list of Chinese dishes. Mandarin tutors might speak Mandarin fluently, but it doesn't know they know how to do everything. So when you see a tutor's profile shows that she or he can teach you everything, chances are she or he isn't very good at everything either. So, summary. First, inexperienced tutors are okay sometimes. The key is the tutor gonna know how to do it. Second, how to know that. Go to the sale page of the tutor's website. Read the what the tutor can give you section or the what in the program section. Final, less is more. Remember the Chinese food example. A long subject list doesn't have to mean the tutor is better. I know. It sounds quite a work to do. At this moment, you might think, are tutors worth it? Is it really worth doing this amount of work to have a tutor? Next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right online Mandarin tutor. 5 advantages to have a Mandarin tutor. Final, a question for you. The rest of life you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wei Ling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.